Hi guys, I'm Pratik and this is my submission for AWS LAMBDA HACKATHON. So when you're building a B2B application, it's kind of gets hard to keep track of signups and you may miss out on potential enterprise customers or qualified customers. Uh, and let's say a user signs up using their company account and you're just not aware of it. Like you may miss out on potential revenue. So I built a lead agent. So essentially what lead agent does is when someone signs up using a company account, we fire a Lambda function which just scans the email of the user and gets all the company info. And if it's a qualified lead based on some parameters, it notifies you of potential leads right directly in your email. You can also set up a Slack notification. So that way you get to know your enterprise customers as they get to know you. And this may lead to increased revenue. So how this works is, let's say a user signs up using AWS Cognito. So on sign up, we have post confirmation Lambda function that fires and extracts the user's email, and based on the domain, we get the company data from the Apollo API. And if it's a qualified lead based on parameters like keywords or certain industries, let's say video editing and stuff, we can have predefined keywords which we need to track leads from. So if we get a lead, we save that lead in a database and get a notification via email. So we save the data in DynamoDB and send an email via Amazon SNS. So this is completely serverless architecture with AWS Lambda in the key part. So let's see that in action, where I'll just use my company account to sign up. Here we go. We have, so we're using AWS Cognito, which just works perfectly. We sign up. So we sign up, verification code. So on confirm setup, this should just extract my company details. Right? Successfully signed in. So in the users, if I refresh, I'll see Patrick at Looper.io as a user registered. All right, and the Lambda function got fired, and in the DynamoDB, we in the enterprise sales lead, we'll just have a new entry. Yep. So this contains all the company details like the city, company name, country, domain, email, employees, industry, etc., etc. So we get all the company data in the DB, and the same information you get via notifications. We use SNS to send notifications, and I get a notification from AWS that we have a new qualified lead. Yep. And if you open this email, and it will have all the information about the company. So this can be very useful in if you're building a B2B SaaS or anything you want enterprise leads from. So in this way, I try to completely automate the enterprise pipeline. And now that I think of it, we can actually have another Lambda function here, which just sends an email to a potential lead. All right. Thank you.